Kia ora, my name's John Adams and I work with the Child Health Team at the Hawke's Bay District Health Board. I'd like to discuss with you today this document that's come out from the Department of the Prime Minister. Jacinda Ardern's made the statement that she'd like New Zealand to be the best place in the world for children and for young people. And clearly by doing so, she set us all a bit of a challenge. The Prime Minister is saying that New Zealand can indeed be the best place when children and young people are loved, when they're nurtured and safe, when they have what they need, when they belong, when they contribute and when they feel valued, when children are happy and healthy and are learning and developing. So the statement has been broken down into these five, if you like, domains, these five main topic areas, and what we are asked to do is to break that up, if you like, is to drill down into that and find some more detail on it. Clearly, this is a responsibility for many of us that work in the wider government service and beyond. I'm thinking of it from the point of view of health. You're probably looking at it from the point of view of education, but we're not alone in having responsibilities to meet this idealised target. The document's been broken down into a whole collection of outcomes and further broken down into some focus areas. As you can see, there's quite a lot of detail there. What I hope that we can do is to, if you like, apply some of that to the situations that we know, representing, as we do, health and education. And what I'd like us to see is that I think there are three questions. What are we already doing here? What should we be celebrating? What do we need to acknowledge is the good stuff? Following that, what could we be doing better? Maybe what should we be doing differently? So where are our areas of strength and weakness? And one of the questions I'm really keen that we look at is, how can we support one another? In particular, how can the Child Health Team support schools to work towards this vision of a better place for New Zealand children? What we've done is we've looked at all those focus areas and outcomes, and we've identified what we consider to be some of the key issues that we know are relevant to schools. As you can see, there are examples here: relationships, mental well-being, accidents, bullying, online safety. They fall quite naturally out of the focus areas that are given. On the other hand, if you think we've missed something, please share, please share. There's a different set of bullet points then for each of those main domains under the wellbeing strategy. Let's remind ourselves what we've got. We have three questions. What are we doing? What could we be doing better? How can we work together? We have five domains, and under each domain we have a collection of issues. What I'd like us to do is to look at those issues and answer those questions.